Solve the inequality by graphing. Okay, so the first thing we can take from our equation for this parabola here is that we have a vertex at -1 because we're going to flip what's in the brackets here, and that's going to give us our x coordinate of the vertex, and then the y coordinate is going to be +3. So we can say vertex at -1, 3. Okay. Next, as we can see here, we have a negative sign out front, so that means that the parabola is going to be in this shape. And we also have a vertical expansion by 2. Okay. So then let's go ahead and start drawing this. So just draw our graph here. And we're going to have -1 and then up 3, so right about here. And then it's a vertical expansion by 2, so it's going to go over 1, down 2, and then 1, 2, and then the next one it'll be down 4, right? So right here. So our parabola will have this kind of shape. And again right here. And right here. Alright, now we basically have our rough sketch here. Now what we need to do is determine whether or not we're going to shade inside or outside of the parabola. Now there's two ways to do this. We can do test points, or there's a much easier method where we just look at this sign right here, right? So this is basically saying y is less than or equal to this parabola given here. So what that basically means is y is below this parabola, which essentially is going to be anywhere underneath the line. So we can kind of shade through here. But we can also do the test point method. So let's say we want to do a test point at 0, 0. Okay. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and then we just essentially plug in x and y into our inequality up here. So we have 0 less than or equal to -2, 0 plus 1 squared plus 3. So 0 plus 1 is just 1, and 1 squared is still 1. So we have 1. And -2 times 1 is -2. And so we have 1 is greater than or equal to 0, which is true. Which means that the point is basically where we want to shade. And since the test point was inside the parabola, that's where we shade, right? So either way will work. But anyways, that's all for this one. I hope that helps. Thank you.